My role today is manyfold. I'm on the planning and organization committee for the event, so we've here to make sure that the event is executed properly and well. And I'm also here as a judge. Our carpenters out of Local 1510 are the judges for the event, and we judge all of the aspects of floor, wall, roof, and framing, and that is involved in the process and making sure that we scored accurately and have a fair and safe competition. Some of the teamwork that has been demonstrated by these young folks is just amazing. How they're coordinated, they work well together as a team. They've identified certain skill sets of individuals that they put as a leadership role or as a lead on the project, and everyone else will get in line and follow that lead or just be hands-on with some other aspect of the project. But teamwork is a big one. I think safety as well. It is the key number one issue of this competition, just like in our construction industry, to make sure that we're keeping people safe and that we're following all procedures and operations as safely as we can. The safety that I've seen today is outstanding. Everyone's on point, doing what they need to do. We haven't had to reprimand or do anything as far as reminding people about job site safety, and that's another thing that's been very impressive today in the competition. We typically, in all of the trades, the building trades, the construction trades, get a number of these folks. A lot of them are going to be those hands-on, career-ready individuals that we're looking for in our industry. So this is a great time to meet them and to tell them a little bit about what we're about and what opportunities they could have within the various trades in the construction industry. But we're seeing that a lot of these young folks are really coming in with some really good, skills, both hard skills and what they're learning through their instructors in the program, and soft skills, where a lot of our young folks are accused of thinking of things their own way and being different and not being able to pay attention and can't put their phone down. And in many ways, we see exactly the opposite, that they have great soft skills, they are communicating well, they want to be part of something bigger and better, they work well as a team, and they can follow direction really well. And these are all the things that are really going to complement their ability to be successful in any career, whether it be in the construction trades or in any other career that they might want to pursue. So I'm here to dispel the rumor about our young folks and the skills and both soft and hard skills that they have and or are developing. It's extremely important to the students. Like I said, it is, for some of these kids, they may be involved in high school athletics or sports, but maybe not. And sometimes this is their competition. It's not an athletic field or a playing field, but it is a competitive arena, and they're competing out there. They're working for their school on this project. They're working for themselves. They're working as part of a team. So all these things are really important. It's a competition for them, and it is a really good way to showcase your skills, to compete fairly, safely, and make sure that you're getting the job done in whatever arena that you're at. This one happens to be a small construction site that we use, but it's also a competitive arena. So what I think they're getting out of this is learning the value of competition, learning the value of teamwork, learning the value about respecting what they do and respecting what other people do. And in the big way, the competition matters, but it's how you get to the end that really matters. And it's not always the winners that get the most out of this. I think there's a lot of opportunities within our industry. For a long period of time, we moved away from hands-on career opportunities in our construction and tech industries and focusing on the education piece versus the hands-on skill development. And when I say hands-on, it takes a lot of intelligence. It takes a lot of math skills. It takes a lot of ability to work with computers, and everything that we do in our industry now is based off of computer-aided design or building information modeling, which is a 3D dimension of a two-dimensional print. And they need to be able to adapt to these, and they're well-versed in using the technology, but they also have to apply it to the hands-on side of the industry to actually build things, because that's what we do in our industry. We solve problems and we build things, but you need to be smart, you need to be committed, you need to be talented in a lot of ways, or develop talents to do those things well as a career.